Good day, welcome to Vinco FX, where we teach you how to trade forex profitably and understand the forex market in a clear and a simple way. So, in today's training, I'm going to teach you how to analyze the market using top-down analysis in a simple way. So, what is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis is simply analyzing the forex market using multiple time frame. So, in this example, we'll make use of three major time frame: 1 week, 4 hours, and 1 hour. So in 1 week, let's go to the 1 week time frame. So in this market, let me remove the current horizontal lines that have been marked. So in the 1 week time frame, we are going to identify the market trend. So of course, I will just mark only the highest zone at this point and mark this lowest points. So in this market, we're going to identify the market trend. So you can look at the market at this particular um, time frame to have a larger picture of the market direction. So looking at this market, you can confirm with me that the market is still currently in a bullish direction, though is closer to its resistance, which is its supply level or supply zone. So, but you can see that the last candle we saw, though, is forming doji or forming a doji candle, or you can say that it's forming a uh, reverse hammer, but it's still in a bullish. The market is still in a bullish direction. So next thing we have to do is I will go to 4 hours time frame to confirm what we are seeing in the market. So in the 4 hours time frame, we can say that the market, though the market is still in a bullish direction, but the market still made a small pullback, a reversal. So we can still mark the zones, we can still mark the lowest point um, in our 4 hour time frame, then mark another zone. Let's mark the some other blocks in this 4 hours time frame. We'll just mark the resistance level above, and let's mark the current support level. So you can see that the market, why I say that this market is still in a bullish trend is that from what you can see in the highest time frame that we use, which is 1 week, then coming to this 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market is making a retracement towards its current support zone. And you can, from these 4 hours, you can say that the market is ranging within its current resistance and its current support level. That means within its current supply and demand zone. So you can hold on. Let's go to 1 hour. So in 1 week, you identify the market trend. In 4 hours, you confirm the trend to make sure that the trend is still saying the same thing. So getting to the from the 1 week, I can confirm that the market is still in bullish direction, though it had retracement. You can see that clearly from the 1 week. Let me zoom it a bit for you to see. You can see the last candle had a major pullback, trying to form a dodgy candle. Now let's go to the 4 hours. So in the 4 hours time frame, you can see that the market formed very black crowns, thereby showing a reversal downwards. But one thing is very clear: since we have marked our order blocks, remember, if you're using total analysis, when you go to the higher time frame, you identify the trend, mark your order block, mark the highest point and the lowest point, go to the 4 hours, confirm the trend if it's still saying the same thing. So because in our 1 week time frame, we can see that the market had a pullback. Then in these 4 hours, I can also confirm that the pullback happened with three candles that shows the three three black crowns, thereby identifying a bearish trend. But I'll still not enter sell currently because the bearish trend is currently closer to the current demand level, which is our support level. So I can only enter buy, I can only enter sell if it's able to break this current support level here, then move a bit downwards and confirm that by breaking, because once it break uh, this particular zone here, which serves as our current demand zone, and and indicates a bearish trend with certain candle pattern that I can use to confirm, then I'll enter sell and place my stop loss above that particular this particular uh, demand zone, which will act now as a resistance after it must have broken it, or I will wait for the markets to hit this particular demand level and check if it will form a reversal towards the up zone. So if I want to trade within the ranging zone, then I can place buy. But of course, you can wait and allow the market to either break this particular level here, which is our current demand, or break this particular level above it, which is our current supply zone, because the market has been ranging within that particular zone for a very long period. So let me just mark within the time that I started ranging within it. So you can say from 21st of May 2025 until 20 until 7th of June 2025 in 4 hour time frame. You can see it as ranging market, but when you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see it as a trending market because it will show you a clear pattern from it. So from our 4 hour time frame, in our 1 week time frame, we are seeing a market retracement. Then in our 4 hour time frame, we can confirm that retracement, though it has gone down a bit, that you have to wait the market to hit the support zone, which is demand zone, so that you can enter buy. So let's go to our 1 hour time frame. First, we started with 1 week where we identify the trend, to 4 hours where we confirm the trend, now to 1 week where we will execute, where we will place our order. At this point, we'll find our entry and exit point. So now let's mark the zone at this hour. So the previous order blocks that we mark in our 4 hour is still showing. You can still, from what we can see here, we can see that that particular zone is currently serving as our resistance and support, which is our supply and demand zone currently here in our one hour time frame. But we had a small liquidity grab above here, then the market pull back. So let's mark the zone that is closer to this particular current market. So I'll mark here. So from what we can still see in our from what you can see in our 1 hour time frame, the market has broken its current resistance in this previous resistance level here. If you look at the previous market, then at this particular place where the market is currently, you can say that the market has broken its support level. So we can say that this particular zone can be referred as what is known as major area of confluence, meaning that the market has broken the line of its major area of confluence. Let me explain what is major area of confluence. Major area of confluence is that particular zone where the market had multiple resistance and at the same time multiple support level. So let me use this to explain to you. You can look at this particular place. It acted previously as a resistance level. This place acted previously as a resistance level, and the market was able to break here. In smart money concept, we'll call it break of structure. Then we are using top-down analysis currently. So then the market kept following its normal market movement. Then at this same place again, the market tried to break it here. It acted as a support level, it pulled back. It couldn't come closer, it pulled back again. Getting here, it pulled back again. Now it was able to break that particular zone. So this has acted as multiple support and multiple resistance level, and the market has broken that zone. So you can wait and check for confirmation candle. Let's wait for this third candle that is currently on, because we are Saturday, so the market is inactive. If this current candle still form a bear, if complete as a bearish candle, then it will form three black crowns, thereby identifying a bearish reversal, bearish movement. So you can bearish continuation movement. Sorry, so you can place your sell and set your stop loss where necessary, and set your take profit also where your target to take your profits. So I believe you must have understood this class, and you can watch the video again over and over again for you to understand the top-down analysis better. But in a summary, using the top-down analysis, you make use of the 1 week to have a clear picture of the market, use 4 hours to confirm, and use your 1 hour to execute your market. Thanks and remain blessed. Watch my other videos to learn how to trade forex profitably and make the best from the forex